Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want.
Something alright. Something alright.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is a matter being discussed. I'm gonna say no, we'll have to discuss it with the nation. Political influence. Yes, viewers and subscribers, there's no secret that when the initial trial started, Vybz Kartel sought opposition counsel, meaning the PNP was in power and Vybz Kartel sought a JLP lawyer. Now, things have changed. The JLP are now in power, and for those who are not in the know, Tom Tavares is a senator and a member of the JLP party. Now, the matter being discussed is that there is a no-done policy locally. Yes, so for those who are think for grow up and run off them lane and be the done wrong aspirations, you're gonna need to find another career path. The country now depend on more done settings. Now, people are saying that Vybz Kartel was wise to make that decision and choose a JLP lawyer because it was a two-bird, one kind of stone mentality, with people saying that Vybz Kartel is somewhat of a done figure in the music industry. Heavily influential, the most influential artist we have currently. We're not talking about the 90s and the 80s. We are talking about now the most influential a done figure in the music. Now, that a fit them terminology feed, I would just say him is a superstar, a mega star in his own right. That a fit them terminology feed. Now, as I said, and the matter is that Tom Tavares' party is now in power, and the same no done policy is in place. So people are saying when legal counsel told us that it looked good, and they might expect a victory in the appeal, and then hours after the verdict was handed out, their statement was that they never thought the three-judge tribunal would have released the teacher. When we look at the matter, we realize that for real, the system will always cover for the system. It was an uphill battle, but we never put into perspective the fact that legal counsel, the attorney himself, is a member of the party in power. And them no want certain figures on the streets right now. That a fact. Them they want do us back in here. You know so I go on. You know they so I go on. That's a JLP strong man. Now, I can't say for surety that Tom Tavares did not do his job. Remember, court proceedings in this day and age have been reduced to a mere debate, with prosecution debating the defendant's guilt and defense debating the defense innocence. You know what I mean? So, at this point in time, we can say yes, they argue the case with zealous. But I will also point out this. I say more of Miss Nita Robertson than I say of Tom Tavares. As a matter of fact, I never see Tom Tavares when the video conference that go on. I think they may show footage of him, but it was more Nita. There wasn't any footage of Tom. And Tom is good friends with the DPP. For those not in the know, very, very, very good friends with Paula. So people are saying that maybe his allegiances shifted when it was put into perspective, client versus party. Because the political ambitions are something that dwarf other ambitions. While he might have the ambition in early stages of his career to be one of the top defense lawyers, criminal defense lawyers, he has attained that. And now he wants to be a top politician. And he now going to put the ambitions, in political ambitions, above or below. Because he don't know we not go down. He now going to put it below the client. So, some people are saying, just on that merit alone, they must have Tom Tavares not the teacher. But can't say it. But I will agree, however, that a food for thought, the teacher, even though we see him numerous times for people, you know what I mean? are in favor of the PMP. We notice them never seek PMP counsel. And we have a prominent PMP lawyer, criminal lawyers too. But him say no, we're going to use Tom Tavares then, Miss Nita Roberts. These were labor rights at the time, as the PMP them would have said. And these are the people him chose for counsel. But now the labor right them in a power. And the agenda still stands. There will be no more dons going forward. If you don't see what go on worldwide, I don't pay attention. I don't know this for a fact. The damn thing done. It's done with. And any individual who is cited as such, or cited as a voice for such, or shows remnants of that lifestyle, then the system of one say is that they change your act, be in support of the no dan policy, or you will be considered as a dan and removed from the streets. And that's what happened to Vybz Kartel in my own personal opinion. The teacher was wrongfully dubbed as a dan. Him have a song him a say, the system a call me a premier as a dan, no call me so. I try my help get a youth when now have, you know. Because the teacher was fully aware that there's a no dan policy locally. So if you at any point in time is considered as such, then it now go good for you. Yes, what happened to Dexter Daps? The man them said Dexter Daps is the current era leader of him scheme. And then just come pick him up and carry him. When there was a person tell them that, or say that, or whatever the case may be, they must say, him no here says zero dan policy. Plus, he want to entertain how much thing he want to one time. He want to entertain, I want to be done. Watch out. Bars for you. He must say, I entertain and him sing and he know bars. Well, we are put him behind some bars. And that's what them do to Dexter Daps. By the blessings of God, him free and up on the streets and now drop a truck, we all a trend. You know what I mean? Yeah, him drop all a truck, we a trend. So, who knows? But don't say him do this for him song. I don't want anybody to say Dexter set up this for himself so him song could get big. No, people don't do this for one song. Remember that just one song. There will be no tours and performances for the one song. Stop say that, man. Stop the people that go through them struggles and I make it look like the struggles they're not real. When you can't say Daps do it for no song, must say that something, man. A one song, like a one song for the ladies. Daps no need to do this for make a one song for the ladies. They must say every woman there woman. Well, some of them, you know, who have to work, you know, there's something go. You know what I mean? Whose jobs are still open for them to go to. But other than that, the ladies, them, they home locally and internationally. If I'm Daps drop a song for the ladies, he did, I go trend. And Dexter Daps that, and the ladies that. So, you know, there's something go, you have more woman than man in the world. And him audience is the ladies. I never expect him to put out. As a matter of fact, majority of Dexter Daps songs for the ladies, when they put them out initially, them always trend. All you name them always trend. They might not trend for 6 months, 4 months, 1 month, but them trend. Them do the weeks, them do the days on the platform at number one trending. And him song are go on good. But if it's still a number one trending, but when him drop it, breaking news, Dexter Daps trending. Yeah, people that want ever did something about him, release story or something, you know, it was a song. And the streets gravitated to it. Them love the vibe, them love the song. But it's the one called Jayden chase viewers and subscribers and keep in tune with the reasoning. They must say there was political influence at play in the teacher trial and also in the local appeal. And that is why the aim was always send it to England, where them not care which party in power. They might give the people them justice. And that's why they say, send it go to England. Send the matter go to England. And that's how we are go. That's how we are carry go. When you say locally, our we call them representatives. When you realize your authorities locally cannot handle the situation, then we have no choice but to get help from international sources. People are saying that this should have never been done. And that's true. We should can handle our own affairs at 2020 now. We suppose they can say when somebody is innocent from when somebody is not innocent. And we should also do this. Once the public is now looking at that situation, it's not about giving the public what they want. It's about being true and fair to the law. And don't make the public say, oh, there's blatant disregard for the law when it's convenient for them. Remember, even though them say what them say about the X6 case, and you know, when the story was truly revealed, they realized, say, yo, the elder, I never really him still, but watch the play. The evidence pointed to him. So what them used to free him. it wasn't the fact same travel document same return kind could have cut on a private flight. Them use what them use to free him was the fact same connected. And them I said no, I know him, he wouldn't do that. That's how I go on. Prosecution I say, yeah, I know him man. He wouldn't do it. And I say him get where. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, there's a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. And put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. That's what fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah, me can do something to you. Hey! But it's the one called Jayden Chase. You want to move settings from I wouldn't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.